Hi y'all, if you watched this video how I made the scrambled egg the Asian Vietnamese way, thank you. And today I am going to show you how I enjoy this with the hoagie. This is Melanie and thanks for watching. So I like onions. It has a little sweetness to it. I just cut like a quarter, diced it up, and I love garlic. So one pretty good sized clove, minced it up and set that aside. Usually I'll get about two. Cheddar cheese is for the sandwich cheese. It's nothing special. And I'm going to use 2 eggs and a hoagie, of course. This was homemade from my mother-in-law. She gave us, 5 to 8 every a few weeks, so I gotta get rid of this. So 2 eggs go into a little bowl. Crack them up. In here, I add about a quarter teaspoon of chicken powder and a quarter teaspoon of sugar. A dash of salt. And a little bit of fish sauce, just one dash, and a little bit of black pepper. That is it. Just beat them up. That was probably about 30 seconds to a minute, and there we go. A hot pan or wok goes in my minced onion. I like to char it up to release all the aromas and the sweetness. It probably goes for about a minute. When it's all kind of caramelized there, add in my garlic for just a few seconds, maybe 5 to 10, and there goes in my eggs. I have to choose between the alarm or the vent, so either one. Sorry about that. You just kind of just cook it around until the white part is cooked. I like it soft. My kid like it soft. So I turn off the heat and let the pan continue to cook. I have already put this hoagie into the oven, air fry, and heat it up for about 3 minutes. My kids don't like it too crunchy, but it was for me. I probably will bake it a little bit longer. Add in my cheese and my eggs, and my kid likes a little bit of soy sauce, just a few dashes. This is optional, but she loves soy sauce, so just a few dashes that makes this smell so weird and addicted. And there we go. I hope you enjoy this recipe, very quick and easy. And subscribe for future Vietnamese, Asian, home cook, gardening, and more. Click that like button on your way out, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.